Last special right triangle we have is a 30, 60, 90 right triangle. All right, so now we're going to find this pattern again. It's drawn in here. And what you're going to notice, we're going to call this L. I can't draw. I'm going to zoom in on this one. We're going to call this L. And what's the relationship between 2 and 4? Well, we doubled it, right? So this is 2L equals 4. And we're going to call this X. And we're going to find what X is. So Pythagorean theorem. 2 squared plus X squared equals 4 squared. 4 plus X squared equals 16. Minus 4 minus 4. X squared equals 12. Take the square root of both sides. And what you're going to find is X equals 2 root 3. Okay, let's try this middle one. Okay, this is L. This is 2L. 3 squared plus X squared equals 6 squared. 9 plus X squared equals 36. Subtract 9 from both sides. X equals 3 root 3. Well, what do you notice the pattern here is? I got 2 root 3 here and 3 root 3 there. What is 2? 2 is L. Okay, so this will actually equal if I can draw, L root 3 will be this side. Let's see if this is true. Does X equal L root 3? X equals L root 3. What is L? 3. 3 root 3. And what you're going to come and do here is I can automatically write, if I know L, here's 2L, here's L root 3, equals X. Then all I need to do is plug in the number for L, which is 4, and you get 4 root 3. So whatever that smaller number is, we find the other side by multiplying by root 3. Excuse me. All right, so here's what we just proved on the triangles. Now I'm going to show you how to do it. So on your triangle, if you want to draw it over here or have a handy-dandy help sheet, this is 2L. This is L. This is L root 3. Okay, so this is L root 3. This is L. This is L. This is 2L. So let's find X. X equals L root 3. Let's look in our picture. What's L? L is 21. So I take the 21 and put it in there. X will equal 21. Oh man, I messed up. Hold everything. Start over. This is 2L. And this is L root 3. And this is L. So to find X, X equals 2L. So X equals 2 times 21, which will be 42. So X will be 42. To find Y equals L root 3. And by the way, in these 60 and 30, 60, 90s, Y will always equal L root 3. So we plug in 21 for L, and Y will equal 21 root 3. Okay, let's take another example here. Let's label our picture. Hypotenuse is going to be 2L. This will be L. And this will be L root 3. Okay, so if I want to find x equals L root 3, I take my L, which is 8, and plug it in. I get 8 root 3. Y equals 2L. 2 times 8 equals 16. Those are my two answers. Same thing over here. We are going to label L, 2L, and L root 3. X equals 2L. 2 times 1/2 equals 1. Y equals L root 3. 1/2 root 3, which is root 3 over 2. Okay, now if we're given the hypotenuse, how do we find it? Well, let's label our sides. Okay, so first it would be really helpful if x equals L. I don't know L yet, so I can do 2L equals 10, right? Over here, 2L equals 10. Divide both sides by 2. L equals 5, which is the same as x. And now I can say y equals L root 3. I know L. I plug it in. It equals 5 root 3. And that's how you do it when you start with the hypotenuse. Okay? We have the hypotenuse again. We're just going to keep practicing this. We have 2L. We have L. We have L root 3. Okay? Let's find L first since we don't know L. Right? Or we could plug in y for L. Divide by 2. Y equals 10. Okay? Or L equals 10. So x equals L root 3, plug the 10 in, equals 10 root 3. Now let's do the quick way here. I already know that to get to x I have to divide by 2. So x is 11 over 2. Y is x times root 3. So it's 11 root 3 over 2. So you could do it that quick in your head. You don't even have to show work. It's optional to find those answers if you get the pattern. Okay, last pattern here. We'll do a couple of these. This is L root 3. This is L. This is 2L. Okay? I need to find L. L root 3 equals 9 root 3. Divide both sides by root 3. L equals 9, which is the same as x, right? And then y equals 2L. So I just plug in 9 for that, and I get 18. So 9 and 18 would be my answers there. I'm literally just taking this number right here for x and then multiplying it by 2. That's literally all you're doing. So right here, I'm not even going to show work this time. I'm going to take that number, y equals 21, x equals 21 times 2, which is 42. In that quick of a time, you could get both your answers.